Hello, Victor here again at RestoreMercedes.com. This is another video for David in Long Island, and dealing with the heater control valve now. Just want to show you what's going on. So what we're doing here now on this side here, it's a little shady. So this is the valve here, this is the bottom of the valve. It looks good. I don't see any pitting or anything. That's pretty nice. Surfaces are nice. You know, the sealing surface is good. That's very important. And no cracks, because sometimes they do crack when you remove these screws, because screws were in very dire situation right here. But because I sprayed them for about maybe 2 days, they were soaking and they came out. Especially this one right here, as you can see. This one was... But anyway, I mean, I'll grind them down and they'll look nice again. That's not a problem. Then I spray them with some anti-corrosive spray so they don't corrode anymore. And we'll be good to go. So that is that. And then here is the valve right here. This stem was broken either during removal or it was broken all along. I don't know, but doesn't matter. Irrelevant. Seals look okay. All right. And this one has a little bit of pitting. It's starting already to fail, as you can see. The areas right there. That was not done during removal, actually, because I propped the seal from underneath and not from the top. So it's starting to get there. The major issue was to actually take it apart, because the biggest concern, the biggest problem here was that control solenoids here, these valves themselves, one of them was completely frozen. I don't remember which one, but it's like, as you can see, the pitting here, that has to be all cleaned up. So it was frozen inside the actual solenoid in there, and I barely got it out with heat gun and everything. So that is what's going on. Now the seal O-ring here is very flat, so obviously we can't reuse it. And in the kit I have new stems that are metal, actually, so they should not break and they should be good to go. Although now I have a concern if this is the right one. I mean, it says for the W140, so hopefully we'll get this. The stem is going to be the same. I do have some stems laying around anyway, but let's double check actually right now. I'm looking at the diameter here, it's just kind of weird. Let me just open this bag. Like I said, I just started on this and I just wanted to do this. Let's take a look. Oops. Let's take a look if this one fits in there. Oh yeah, it fits pretty nicely. Yeah. There is oh yeah, that's fine. It's just perfect, actually. There is no play in it. So this is gonna be... It's so tight in there that it actually creates vacuum. It's pretty nice sizing. This is brass, and obviously, see, I'm pushing it out and it pushes the coolant out. This one needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, this is nice. So yeah, I'll work them up a little bit just to make sure that they fit all right. But the idea here is that to replace all the seals anyway, because you're not taking valve apart and leaving old seals. And the case is what's good about it, is it doesn't seem to be cracked, and it did not crack during removal. All these seals are obviously going to warm up, so they're nice and pliable. And all of this stuff is going to be cleaned off with wire brush and such thing. And the seals over here. There's a big seal underneath there somewhere. Anyway, I'll take it apart, obviously not on video, because I have to use both hands to do such a thing, to get it out. These are old stems, and they all look all right, but again, because they're plastic, they tend to break either during the removal or just break by themselves. So we get that. I'll get that going. And I also clean the internals over there, because you can see some residue. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but I can't see what I'm taping because it's too much sun. So it's right in there. So okay, so here we are. I'll start on this one and put it back together, and we should be good to go with the HVAC system. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. And oh, one customer sent me a gift with these gloves. That's very nice. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Send me a case of gloves and towels, and that was sweet. All right, so this is all. Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you so much.